Got more parts in. Overflow tank to finish off the radiator on the Cadillac. We're gonna go on a trip with the Tahoe again. Gonna try these cheap helper bags for the rear coil springs. See if they work. And new clutch for the V-Rod, because it started slipping when I started to build boost. Alright, here's the overflow tank. Just a simple one. I believe it's 3x9 or 3x10. Didn't have one, so it definitely needs one. Just got a inlet, and then that is the vent. That pipe runs up to the top about there, and it also acts as an overflow. So I needed something. This one looks like it'll clean up pretty decent after I get my fingerprints off of it. See how it goes. I don't know if I've shown you yet, but I got the new radiator in. Now it actually has a fan shroud this time, so it should do a little bit better. But still didn't have an overflow, so I'm hoping that new overflow tank will go right here. Size comparison. So should fit right down in there. I don't have to worry about mounting it. And got the overflow tank all mounted. Turned out pretty decent. I just have to, well, let me get some light on it. You probably can't see it. It's dirty. I haven't wiped it off, but there's the overflow tank mounted up. Just got to get a line to connect the two, but turned out pretty decent.